Test, I'm audible. Ardisa, you there? Hello, Assalamualaikum. Good evening, Ardisa. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Ardisa.
Good afternoon.
How are you feeling today?
I'm okay. I'm a little bit lazy today.
Apologies for disturbing your time, but we have a
No,
class
no, no. I
today.
apologize because I spend my time after I take my final thesis
Hmm.
test to just just take a rest, just lazy at my bed like that.
Mhm.
I'm
You
sorry.
deserve it. You deserve it, Ardisa. Don't be sorry for that. You deserve a very long nap and rest after your thesis defense. So, well done. Not good luck. Congratulations, by the way,
Thank
for
you.
passing your thesis defense. How was it? Did you get any critical, analytical questions from your examiner or supervisor?
From my lecturer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I get I get many critical and lesson and advice for my thesis.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Did you get any revisions, any feedback?
yes, of course, I get any revision, and I will submit my revision tomorrow.
Oh, well done. So you have finished your revisions, have you?
Yeah,
No.
because I have to I want really fast to go home after I get my what it's called, surat keterangan lulus.
Yes, SKL, yes. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Congrats once again, Ardisa. And when will be your graduation?
Maybe in October, I don't know, or September.
But you don't need to worry about your TOEFL ITP anymore. It's all done.
Yeah. About the score, yeah, already done, but not my I I uh apa aku coba buat gimana caranya biar bisa lolos dulu, tapi karena itu maaf, itu karena terakhir aku harus sidang, kalau nggak bisa ikut di si Oktober wisuda gitu, jadi malah tambah semester lagi, jadi ya udah gimana caranya buat lulus dulu, tapi I know my level is not uh, it's not like good enough in English. That's why I'm here. It's wants to still uh, learning more about English to my work, my preparing for my work
Mhm.
tomorrow in
Exactly.
my
Mhm. So we're not gonna be doing any TOEFL drilling practices as you
yeah.
requested. Instead, we're gonna be doing more constructive discussions in English, more comprehensive analytical critical study case, because it is gonna be related to your future work in a law firm in Indonesia. Yes?
Yes, thank you
All
very
right.
much.
So today it's gonna be your final session. Is it okay if we combine our final two sessions into this one
Yeah,
meeting at once?
it's okay. Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay.
So we're gonna be doing this English final workshop until 6, 7, 8 o'clock WIB, yes?
Okay,
Two, it's gonna be 2 hours approximately, but I'm gonna try my best so it's not gonna be boring for you. It's gonna be engaging because you're gonna be doing all the fun activities, okay?
okay.
First of all, we're gonna be doing a study case. So there are two things for today. It's only two menus for today. The first one is gonna be a final study case. It's about law. It's about a mother's story. Uh, so you're gonna learn, you're gonna break down this mother's story about her son or daughter, about capital punishment, and then afterwards you're gonna be having follow-up questions, and I'm gonna introduce you with the framework called RL. Have you heard about RL method before?
No.
Okay. So we're gonna do that framework after the study case. But before that, can you see my slide?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. Let me just adjust it. Is it visible now?
Yeah.
Crystal clear. Yes, clear and clean. All right. So the title for today's study case is A Mother Story. Uh, can you please read this instruction
Okay.
or the prompt?
Mother story. Have you ever wished that another person were dead? This mother did. Read the story and find out why did she want a man die?
Okay, Ardisa, I'm gonna ask you a very
Okay.
sensitive personal question. Have you ever wished that another person were dead?
I'm sorry, lagi.
Have you ever wished that another
Yeah.
person were dead? Have you?
No.
No. Why not?
No, I don't have any problems,
Okay.
big problems that I have to say another people. Oh, I have to. I want to another people to death. I
Mhm.
don't think so.
Okay. So you don't have any problems, you don't have any big issues with anyone, you don't have enemies. Is that right?
Yeah.
But unfortunately, this mother did. So she wanted another
Okay.
person died. So I want you to read her story, and find out why did she want another man die. Go ahead.
Okay. My heart jumped with joy when he was dead. I knew then when the electricity was sent into that man's body that I would finally have a peace.
Can you sum up the main idea here?
Okay. Uh, m- my heart. My heart. What my who is my in
My
this?
Yes, good
Okay.
question. My refers to the mother.
Okay.
Okay.
My first. Okay.
What does it mean by jump with joy? My heart jump.
My heart jump like a heart uh apa kaget jump scare.
It's not shocking. It doesn't mean shock.
Uh, it's not
Another, no, it's not shocking. It's another adjective.
with joy.
Yes, what is joy?
Joy uh maybe something like fun
Mm-hmm.
or something playful, I think.
Yes, yes. So my heart jump with joy means she felt happy.
Happy.
Yes,
Okay.
joyful, relief with happiness. When he was dead, we don't know who he is
Okay.
here yet, but we'll know later.
Okay.
Next.
I knew then when the electricity was sent into that man's body that I would finally have a peace. Uh, I know when the electricity.
Yes. So can you guess where this is happening?
I know when the electricity was sent into that man. Maybe in a pool or what?
In the pool?
Or
Maybe. Uh-huh.
maybe a bathroom?
Maybe not. So in
Mm,
context, it's a bit blurry in it.
okay.
So in the context, so this happened in the execution uh area. Do you know electricity
Yeah.
chair?
Oh,
Ele-
I know.
Electricity chair. Yes.
Yeah, I know.
How does it work in Indonesia? The law. Do we have electricity chair in Indonesian
Uh,
justice
in
system?
Indonesia to punish
Yes.
punish someone, yeah, I don't think we have that.
Oh, we don't have electricity chair in Indonesian justice system.
To punish or to yeah, murder someone that deserve that, I don't think so. We what hukuman mati, it's what it's called,
Death penalty.
death penalty. Okay,
Yes.
that penalty, it's not use the electricity chair.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
I
maybe
didn't
it's
I
hard
didn't know
how
that.
slowly we don't use that. It's uh humanity violences.
I see. Human's right violation. But do we
Yeah,
have
it means it's,
but do we have death penalty in Indonesian justice system?
just to what?
Indonesian justice system, Indonesian law. Do we have
Oh,
death penalty?
death penalty we have.
Okay. But we are not using the electric chair.
Electricity, yeah. But
We are
I don't know if the electricity chair used to someone to like speak up about their crime,
mhm,
to siksa,
mhm.
nyiksa itu
uh suffer.
to suffer them to speak up what have already what already someone doing.
I see. Okay, so
Yeah,
the mother here felt relief and peaceful when she saw the man was sentenced to death by electric chair.
yeah.
Next.
I'm a monster. Am I thirsty for blood? Blood? Uh, do I get excited when people are killed? No, no, no. I am not a monster. I am a mother whose 80 years old son was killed during a robbery.
Okay, so what
Okay.
is a robbery?
Robbery, it's stealing
Mm-hmm.
something, stealing something from another people that not their uh, uh, apa hak itu.
Rights.
Ya, ya,
Exactly.
oke,
So a robbery is an action of stealing someone else's stuff.
oke,
So
ya.
what happened in this robbery?
I'm a motherless skill worker. Oke, uh, the mothers with her son, 8 years old, was killed during a robbery. Her son is was killed during a robbery.
And that is maybe the reason why she was so
Yeah,
happy.
she she was happy when the was die because the man is who killed her son.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Next.
Okay. Before Wang was killed, I had not thought much about capital punishment. Maybe I thought it was wrong. After all, killing someone has who has killed someone else really doesn't help much. The other people is still dead, and killing the murder just adds to the violences.
Okay, so who is Wang?
Uh, when is the people who kill her son?
Are you sure? Let's read
Or
again.
wait, before Wang was killed, I thought not.
Can you please translate this in Indonesian?
Okay, in Indonesia before sebelum Wang mati, dia nggak tahu banyak tentang peraturan negara kayak apa eh, punishment kayak peraturan negara gitu.
Anissa,
Mungkin
wait. So,
ya
before Wong was killed, ini pasif atau aktif?
itu pasif.
Betul. Berarti arti kalau di translate ke bahasa Indonesia, sebelum Wong di
Sebelum sebelum Wang mati.
matinya lebih spesifik, pasif, dibunuh
Oke.
atau terbunuh.
Sebelum oke 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 oke.
Oke. Jadi kalau kalau aktif itu someone kills someone else's. The murderer
Oke.
killed someone else. Itu aktif kalimatnya. Ini pasif, berarti ada imbuhan ber, ter, atau di.
Oke.
Dibunuh atau terbunuh. So who is Wong in here?
Uh, her son.
Exactly. Can you please read this again out loud?
Okay. Before Wang was killed, I had not thought much about capital punishment. Maybe I thought it was wrong. After all, killing someone has killed someone else really doesn't help much. The other people is still dead, and killing the murder just adds to the violences.
Okay, so what is the violence?
Pelanggaran.
Kekerasan.
Oke, kekerasan.
What is a murderer?
Pembunuh.
Yes. What about capital punishment?
em, apa sih punishment akibat apa negara peraturan negara kayak
Yes, it is one of the law. It is one of the
ya
punishment. Hukuman apa kapital itu? Hukuman, punishment, hukuman, kapital apa? Hukuman,
eh, kapital negara.
capital, yes, it can be money, but in here it's not money. 1 minute,
Eh,
check your dictionary, open your Google,
oke
open your AI. I want you to see the definition of capital punishment. One
oke
minute, 1 minute, please.
hukuman pidana
Pidana apa?
hukuman pidana pidana berat
Yes, it is one of the extraordinary crimes. Sorry, extraordinary punishments for
ya
extraordinary crimes. Can you please Google it? Capital punishment synonyms.
death penalty.
Exactly. So capital punishment equals or is the synonym for
Oke,
death penalty.
death penalty.
Okay? So these sentences show us that previously, before her son died, or was killed by the murderer, by the thief, she didn't think of any death penalty. She even disagreed with the capital punishment because she thinks it's not effective. It's not so,
Yeah,
it's just another
it's not
violence.
help. Yeah, okay.
Exactly. So it is her previous thought. What about now? Is there any change?
Okay.
Let's
Okay. But that all changed when my only son was killed. It happened 5 years ago. Wang was working at a grocery store. He had just finished high school and was going to go to a good university in a month. He was working to earn money to help pay for his education.
okay. Let's see the chronology.
Okay. Two men entered the store. They told my son to take all the money from the cash register and put it in a bag. He did this. Then they ordered one.
Sorry.
Okay. Then they ordered Wang to open the safe. Wang told them that he did not have the key. One of the men had a gun and threatened, threatened to shoot Wang. My son pleaded with him and told him that only the owner had the key. The gunman then shot him 5 times in the face and heart. My son died instantly.
Okay. So what happened, Ardisa?
Okay, one was killed by two men
Mm-hmm.
that entered the store that want to robber him grocery store that he's working on that grocery store.
Mm-hmm.
So the robbery, the man that want to rob the grocery store want to order Wang to open the safe, but Wang can open the safe because he didn't have the key. But the man that want to robber, it's not believe, I think. So they kill Wang.
So what was Wang doing in the store? Was he trying to buy something or what? Why was he there?
He is work on that grocery
Yes, he was
store.
working there as a
Yeah,
what?
has uh, as maybe what cashier.
Yeah, maybe he was a cashier or
Yeah,
receptionist, something or something.
yeah,
Okay, you have familiarized yourself with the chronology. Now I want you to tell me the meaning of the following vocabulary. What is this? The
okay.
cash registers.
The cash register, it's from uh the 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 cash the cash was collect
Yes, the
the
place to put your
the
money.
place. Yeah, the place the money from the customer, it's put on that.
Exactly. So
Okay.
when you go to Alfamart or Indomaret to, to pay your things with the
Yeah,
cashier, so they put the money on the cash inside of the cash registers. What about the
yeah.
safe?
The safe, it's like a box that have a code to put our money, our some things what berharga,
Mm-hmm. Precious.
uh
Precious.
precious.
Mhm.
Yeah,
How do you
something
say
precious.
how do you say the safe in Indonesian?
Uh, kotak, kotak, uh, apa namanya? Kotak,
Berangkas.
berangkas.
Yes.
Yeah,
What about
it's
this word?
written. Mengancam.
Yes. How do you say ancaman in English?
Threat,
Itu mentraktir.
threat.
Itu mentraktir. Treat,
Oh,
treat itu mentraktir. Kalau
threaten.
kalau ancaman, the noun first. The noun of ancaman,
Threat,
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 threat.
threat,
Yes, itu ancaman. Kalau dibuat ke kata kerja atau verb, jadinya threaten.
threaten,
Yes,
threat.
atau
Okay,
mengancam. What about
okay.
this?
Some pleaded, uh, pleaded. It's um begging.
Yes, nice one. So begging is the low vocabulary, the low level vocabulary. The high
Okay,
level vocabulary is pleading or pleaded, plead, right?
okay,
Next, sorry.
okay. But robbers were captured. The one who shot my son was sentenced to death in the electric chair. I asked to see him die. I want to be there. I needed to be there. My son's death had to be repaid. Okay.
Okay. Both robbers. What are robbers again?
Uh, Pencuri.
Do, do we have another synonym for robbers?
Uh, Robbery.
That's the action of
Oh,
robbers. The
okay.
synonym.
Mm, robber.
Have you heard the word thieves?
Oh, yeah. Thief.
Yeah.
Okay.
Were captured. What is this in Indonesian? Were captured.
Ketangkap.
Yes. Shot.
Shot.
Yes. So the first verb shoot, shot, shot. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Shot is the past tense.
Yes.
Or, okay. Past tense from shoot.
Exactly. Next.
Okay. So I watched when they strapped him in. I saw him begging for his life. Good, I thought, beg all you can. You must die for what you did. Okay,
What it, who are they in here?
so I watched when they strapped him in. So I was cops.
Exactly. The policemen
Okay,
or the policewomen, the police officers
okay,
or
the
the
police.
cops.
Okay, the
What about strap?
strap mengikat.
Yes. Last but not least, finish it, Ardisa.
Okay. I think about capital punishment. Often know killing is wrong, but if you kill, you should pay with your own life. It's the only way you can stop all the violences.
The violence.
Okay, violence.
Okay. So what is this about? What is this text about, Ardisa? Can you give me the concise short summary, please?
Okay, it's a mother story. A mother was lost. Her daughter, her son,
Mm-hmm.
that killed by the robber who want to robbery him in where he is working on the grocery.
Mhm.
and the story it's how was happy and uh Uga, what it's
Relief,
called,
relief.
or relief.
Yeah, relief.
Okay, how she is very happy and relieve her loss from her son
Mhm.
by see the robber was killed
Mhm.
by the capital punishment.
What about your personal thoughts, Ardisa? What is your stance on capital punishment? Do you agree or disagree with death penalty?
Um, uh, I agree actually with this punishment, but I know who doesn't agree with this capital punishment what argument. I know all of that argument in Indonesia, and I think, yeah, I can accept that. I can understand what all the people doesn't agree with capital punishment, want to support to fight in
Mm-hmm.
human rights yeah, human rights in this law. But actually, I'm personally agree with this capital punishment with all that uh all that if someone deserve that, we
Mm-hmm.
can do that.
Okay.
Because, yeah,
Thank you.
if someone deserve, yeah, okay, something like that, I think.
Thank you, Ardisa, for
Okay.
expressing your thoughts and your opinions on this matter. Now, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes
Okay.
to read these five statements here. There are five stanzas here. There are five statements here. I want you to read them one by one for 5 minutes, and I want you to share with me your thoughts afterwards. Yes?
Okay.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Okay.
Good
Which
luck.
opinions? Okay. Which opinions do you agree with?
Oh, in
Share
silence,
5 minutes.
Ardisa. I want you to read in
Okay.
silence and take notes.
Okay.
Respond, right? I want you to read in silence and take notes responding to each one of them. There are five opinions here. I want you to read them one by one and respond to them one by one. Don't forget to take your notes and structure your arguments. I want you to give me your responses for all of these statements. Yes?
Okay.
You have to state which one do you agree with, which one you disagree with, and why do you agree with them, and why do you disagree with them. 5 minutes. Good luck.
Okay.